Research proposal. Dropping your phone may not result to much visible damage, but without a phone case it is easy for the smartphone's camera lens to be broken. For most people, a phone case alone is not enough. Most people tend to like simple but eye-catching design. There are some but are very expensive. Introducing the Aluminous Polycase, a luminous phone case made with a polymer clay and luminous powder. It is cheap, has very simple but eye-catching design. If you leave it in the sun for a few minutes, it stores sunlight and glows in the dark. What's more is that it is handmade.